Hi guys, it's Christina Marie here with the Play by Sephora February unboxing. If you are new to the Play by Sephora, it is $10 a month. They do send out about 5 deluxe size beauty samples to you each month. And let's get into this box. So here's what it looks like on the inside. It says show off and share using Sephora Play. It has a little card here. And then all the products are inside here. And what this card says, it does include the 50 bonus points that you get. You can use this either online or in the store itself. And it talks about, cleansings with clay, polish, think positive, swipe and sing for lipstick, soothe your scalp, eyes, mask and meditate. And on the back here, it talks about each of the different products. So, and it comes in this little kind of cute zipper, kind of Ziploc type closure here. It says open here to start your next beauty adventure. And I like getting sample size boxes like this because it helps you kind of round out your makeup collection, grow it, and also it helps you try out new products that you probably wouldn't have thought to try anyway. So the first thing that I am pulling out here is actually their bonus item. It is the Stella perfume by Stella McCartney. And this is a soft feminine scent with an homage to the English rose with sharp contrasts and notes that keep things interesting. Stella McCartney is a trend-setting brand known for its chic design and timeless scents. This fragrance from family floral, it is kind of the rose with a little peony flower and has a base notes of mandarin and amber. It kind of looks like this. So let's open this up and give it a little swish here. It's really light. I do like it. I do smell the rose. To me, it smells like something that my grandmother would have worn. It just has a very classic scent to it. And if that's what you like, go for it. The next item in here is by Wander Beauty. I have tried a couple of Wander Beauty products in the past. I haven't tried these though yet. It is their Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask, and it's a set of gold foil eye masks that brighten and hydrate the skin. This multitasking eye mask does more than look super luxurious. The serum hydrates skin and diminishes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. We all need help with that. And it's delicate under the eye. And how to use, you apply it to clean, dry under eyes and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. If you guys are new to my channel, I do beauty box unboxings, of course, reviews, tutorials, and the occasional giveaway. I also do a masking series, so I will try this out in an upcoming masking video. The next item, speaking of masks, it is the Fresh Rose Face Mask. It's a toning and hydrating gel mask that visibly restores skin radiance and suppleness. And this unique cooling mask is a bouquet of goodness to your skin. The refreshing formula moisturizes, soothes, and nourishes skin with real rose petals. And you apply a quarter size amount to clean dry skin. Leave on for 10 minutes, then rinse. So what this looks like like this. It comes like this with the safety seal. And here's kind of what it looks like on the inside. It has a really light rose scent, and I think it's really pretty. It's not overbearing like some, and I'm just going to put this on the back of the hand here. Here's kind of what it looks like when it's on. The next item that I'm pulling out is by Milk, It is their Matte About You. It's a matte primer stick that minimizes appearance of pores of fine lines. And you and this primer will make the ultimate power couple. Help makeup look better, stay longer with this lightweight blur stick. It works for all skin tones, goes on clear. For a shine-free canvas, you swipe the stick all over the face and then blend, use alone as a primer before applying your foundation. So what this looks like here is, it kind of looks like this. It does look like it's skin toned, but like I said, you put it on, here's kind of a before, and then you put it on here, and it goes on clear, and then in the middle section here is kind of where I put it on. And it just kind of helps to blur everything out. The next item is by Carel. It is their Vino Source Moisturizing Sorbet. It's a super light gel cream that hydrates and calms the skin, and you deserve the very best in this ultra soothing formula. It nourishes sensitive skin with organic grape water, comforting chamomile, and antioxidant rich grapeseed. For those of you with sensitive skin like myself, the grapeseed is really great at helping to soothe that. You apply a dime size amount morning and night to your face and neck. So let's just open this up, and we'll just put like a little bit here on the back of the hand. And it's really thick. I'll kind of show it to you before I put it on. It does have that kind of sorbet texture. And then this is what it looks like once it's on the back of your hand. I think I'm gonna really like using this. I've been trying these makeup wipes recently that have been burning my skin, so I'm not trying them anymore. So anything I can get to kind of hydrate and calm my skin right now, I'm all about. The last item in the box is a little lipstick mini by Bite Beauty. This is exclusive to Sephora. It is a Amuse Bouche lipstick in Rhubarb, high impact lipstick with a rich plum rose color with a soft creamy texture. The handcrafted lipstick is a total package. It's infused with nutrients, vitamins, and omega oil that nurture skin while delivering saturated color and weightless coverage. You apply to lips starting in the center and work outward the corners of your mouth. So you're just gonna open it. And it's this just little tiny sample here. And this is the color it looks like. How pretty is that? Let's put a little swatch on the hands. There's what it looks like. It's really kind of like a dusty rose. And then let me take off the lipstick that I currently have on here. I think it's gonna be a real keeper for me. What do you think? So what did you guys think about everything that was in this box? So I think some of my favorites were obviously this I really liked. The masks I liked. I didn't see big notice on the blur stick when I put it on my hands. I'm not quite sure on that. The perfume was a pass for me, and I did like the Vino Source from Carel, their cream sorbet. This I did like. So what were your guys' favorite things? Did you guys get the same things in your box? Let me know in the comments below. There is a link for Sephora Play. It is not an affiliate link or anything. And if you want to use that, great. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. And then if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It would really mean a lot to me. And we will be giving away free beauty products when this channel reaches 100 subscribers. So stay tuned for that. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.